Hi everyone, I want to take you through the process of adding a fixed location. We haven't done much of this in this first phase of the project, but you'll probably find as you get into it in 2013 that this will be a useful point of interest, particularly for navigating a campus. So let me just first of all start by adding a fixed location. You can see up here I'm in the map view, as opposed to the list or the relative location view. So that's the center one. It's an icon of a map. So here I'm just going to add something to this swimming pool nearby by double clicking. Okay, so I've now created a fixed location, point of interest, and while I'm here I'll just click on that once and give it a title. So I'll call it the Alstonville pool. Save. Okay, so if I click now on the map view just here, I can then change the altitude. I might make that say 100 meters up in the air and hit done. I then of course then need to change the default projection from the Buildar logo to something else in my library. Let's see, got a little location icon here. I'll use that. Okay, there's no need for me to crop, so I'll skip that process. And I might also show you an action that I haven't used much. I've only just become aware of it really. It's called switch mode. So you know how within the Buildar environment you have two modes. You have a location mode and you have an image mode. So location is anything geographic and image is anything that you scan that it recognizes. So what switch mode does is it'll take you from the current mode and put you into the other. So I'm obviously in a location mode right now, and if someone touches on this action, they're going to be then, their browser's then going to be sent into a scan mode or an image mode. So let's test it out anyway. Switch to image mode. Just for my own purpose to write that. And hit done. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll test that out on my mobile. Alright, I'm now on my phone and I'm going to test out that fixed location mode. So to begin with, I'm going to select location mode, let that load up. I can see in my little radar dish that I have one nearby, and there's 9 in total. I know for a fact that there's one nearby and that the other 8 are just on the edge of the radar. So let me see how that goes. Just keep in mind too that the action that I've set for this projection is to switch the browser from this location mode to image mode. So let's see how we go. Okay, so there's the icon of the pool. Now I'll just touch on that and it flicks me straight into scan mode. So it's put me into the image mode, which is quite brilliant actually.